In today's video, we will show you 4 easy ways to remove unwanted people from photos. The first part is about how to remove people from photos on iPhone. Here we take Peachy as an example to show you how to do it. Both the basic and AI remove tools are helpful to remove a person from photos with great output quality. The second part is about how to remove people from photos with Photoshop. First of all, click Select Subject to select a person that you want to remove, then select Modify to add to or subtract from an existing selection to fine-tune selection borders. Use the Content-Aware Fill tool to remove unwanted elements or fill in missing parts of an image. Drag to preview the output effect. If you are satisfied with it, click OK and press Ctrl+D. The third part is about how to remove people from photos online. With this online object removal, you can quickly remove people from photos on any devices within 3 steps and get the best output quality. Now let's come to the final part, how to remove people from photos more precisely with AI Photo Editor. After opening a photo, select In Paint from the left menu bar. Then select the brush tool and adjust the brush size. Paint a person with the brush tool and click Apply to start the removal process. If you are happy with it, click Export to save the image to your computer. Here is another example to show you the object removal effect of this AI photo editor. If you are satisfied with this feature, do not hesitate to try this tool to discover more photo editing capabilities. That's all about how to easily and quickly remove unwanted person from photos. If you think this video is helpful, do not forget to like it and subscribe to us.